start. There are standard by each other. And even you're in secret, so we study by him. Who's over inside this part?
Yeah.
Okay, student guys. Hello. Someone class, how are you guys? We are okay. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Pico guys. Today I'm here at Michael's guys. I'm dealing with mathematical literacy. I'm continuing with compound interest and simple interest, which is part 2. This is part 2, guys. Thank you very much. Let us go to what we are dealing with now. So, as I said on the first segment, math literacy is RFQ and RFS, right? Which is, you must be able to read the question, guys. After reading the question, you'll be able to do what, guys? Understand. And then, number 3, you'll be able to do what? To answer the question, guys? Okay. So now, number 4, what is very important, you must be able to do what? To round off. Math literacy, if you can't round off, guys, I am very, very, very sorry. You will never pass it the way you have to pass it, right? In between 0 and 4, what do? We round down, we're going to add what? 0. In between 5 and 9, we need to do what? Round up, we're going to add 1. Then step number 5, you must be able to use your calculator carefully. Can you please go that side now? Can you please go that side now? Remember on part 1, guys, we dealt with that question of who? Of Tim or more and who? And Vitamin, guys. So now we are continuing here on what? On part 2, right? So now let us read the question. What does the question say now? Vitamin decided to what? To use how many percent? 5% of what? Of the total balance after how many years? 3 years. To do what? To buy what? A motorbike. Can you? What else now do I know? The bank charges how many percent? 50% compounded what? Monthly. So now what did they say? The balance was what? Was deposited in what? In a newly bank account. Can you guys? Okay. So now, what do I know? Remember, compounded what? Monthly. Remember on part 1, what did I say on part 1? I said we have how many methods? We have 4 methods, which is what? Compounded what? Annually. Compounded what? Monthly. Compounded what? Half yearly. And compounded what? Quarter. Are we clear? Yes. Let's go again. How many methods do we have? 4 methods. Which is what? Compounded what? Monthly. Compounded what? Half yearly. Compounded what? Quarterly. And compounded what? Annually. Are we clear, guys? Yes. Alright. So now then, let us read the question now and read it very, very. I remember when I started that side, I said you must be able to read the full what? Question. Are we clear, guys? Let us read the full question now, because I have read the full scenario now. Now I know that what happened? Retarding used how many percent? 75% of the total balance after 3 years, right? Yes. So what did she decide? The bank charges how many percent? 50%, which is compounded what? Monthly. What else did she decide? And we think the what? The balance was what? Was deposited in what? In a newly bank account. Are we sharing here? Okay. So now, question 1, what do they say? Calculate what? Interest. So now, what do they take into consideration? What am I calculating here? The interest. Are we hearing, guys? When? At the what? At the end of what? Of the first month. Okay, let us start here. A. How much did Ritamina get at the end of 3 years? How much did she get? Come on, guys. How much did she get? Come on, guys.
129,592.
How much did you get?
129,502.
Okay. Let us write it. How much is it? 129,502, 90 cents. Please listen and listen attentively, guys. If you're going to get 129,502,9, we need to always add money with 0. Why do we add 0? It's simply because why? 1 rand is equivalent to how many cents? 100 cents. Are we clear, guys? Am I making sense? Yes. Thank you. Simnandi? Danko. So now listen attentively now. Remember, we always use this method. We always say, when you're dealing with percentages, please use this method always. We're going to say what? Given amount, right? Times what we want, right? Divided by what you have. Are we clear, guys? Yes. So now, how many percent did she use of that amount? 75%, done it? So now I have a question now. If only I take out 75% of the amount that I get on a monthly basis, do I still have the amount in my bank account? No. Are we clear? So now let us determine how much did she use to buy what? A motorbike. Are we clear, guys? Are we clear? Yes. Okay. So now how much is the value? We're going to say how much? 110, 29,000, 502, what? 90, multiplied by 75% divided by 100. Okay, someone may have a question. Why are you saying multiplied by 75 divided by 100? It's simply because I want to determine how much did she use to buy the motorbike. Are we clear, guys? So now how much did this person use to buy a motorbike? 97,127, comma? Okay. Is it 18 cents then? Okay, thank you very much, teachers. 175. Remember now the concept of what? Of rounding off. Rounding off is very important. What did I say? In between 0 and 4, what do? I round down. In between 5 and 9, what do? I round up. Are we clear? So now, listen attentively. Simply because now, we need to round off to how many decimal places?